Hi, Sarah. Today is a special day.
Hi, John. Why is it special?
We are talking about a new method.
Oh, what is the name of the method?
It is called the quiet speaker method.
That sounds perfect for our shy friends.
Yes, it is for people who are afraid to speak.
Many people feel afraid when they see strangers.
I know. My heart used to beat fast, too.
Really? You were shy too, John?
Yes, I was very shy before.
So how did you change?
I tried a 7-day challenge.
A 7-day challenge? Tell me more.
Every day I talked to one stranger.
That sounds scary for a shy person.
It was, but I used the quiet speaker method.
What is the first step of this method?
Step 1 is start very small.
Like just saying hello?
Exactly. Let's talk about day 1.
Okay, what happened on day 1?
On day 1, I went to the park.
Did you see many people there?
Yes, many people were walking.
What did you do?
I saw an old man on a bench.
Did you talk to him?
I just walked past and said, "Good morning."
That's all, just 2 words.
Yes, just good morning and a smile.
Did he say anything back?
Yes. He smiled and said, "Good morning, too."
How did you feel after that?
I felt happy. It was not scary.
So day 1 was a success.
Yes, it was a small win for me.
Small wins are very important.
They give us confidence for the next day.
What about day 2?
On day 2, I went to a coffee shop.
Did you buy a coffee?
Yes, I did, but I did more than that.
What did you do?
I asked the lady for the time.
But you have a watch, John.
Haha, yes, but it was for practice.
That is a smart trick.
I said, "Excuse me, what time is it?"
Was your voice shaking?
A little bit, but she was very kind.
What did she say?
She said, "It is 10:30.
Did you say anything else?
I said, "Thank you. Have a nice day."
Wow, you said 2 sentences.
Yes, I was very proud of myself.
You should be. Day 2 was great.
The quiet speaker method was working.
What is the secret of the method?
The secret is, don't think too much.
Yes, thinking makes us nervous.
Just say the words and move on.
That is very good advice.
Now let's talk about day 3.
What was the plan for day 3?
On day 3, I went to a small shop.
What did you buy there?
I bought some red apples.
Did you talk to the shopkeeper?
Yes. I asked a simple question.
What was the question?
I asked, "Are these apples sweet?"
That is a very natural question.
He said, "Yes, they are very fresh."
Did you feel nervous this time?
A little, but less than day 1.
You were becoming a quiet speaker.
Yes, I was speaking, but I was still calm.
That is the goal of our channel.
Exactly. Calm and clear English.
What happened on day 4?
Day 4 was a bit different.
Why was it harder?
I talked about the weather.
Oh, people love talking about the weather.
Yes, it was raining that day.
Rain is a good topic.
I was waiting for the bus.
Was there someone else at the bus stop?
Yes, a woman with a big umbrella.
What did you say to her?
I said, "It is a very rainy day, isn't it?"
That is a great conversation starter.
She laughed and said, "Yes, I am getting wet."
Did the conversation continue?
A little bit. We talked about the bus.
This was your longest talk so far.
Yes, it lasted for 1 minute.
1 minute is a long time for a shy person.
I felt like a hero that day.
Haha, you are a hero, John.
Thank you, Sarah.
Now tell me about day 5.
On day 5, I went to a new part of town.
Were you lost?
No, I knew where I was.
So why did you go there?
To ask for directions for practice.
Another trick. I love it.
I saw a young man walking.
What did you ask him?
I asked, "Excuse me, where's the library?"
Did he help you?
Yes. He pointed to a big building.
Was it easy to understand him?
Yes. He used his hands to show me.
Body language is very helpful.
I said, "Thank you for your help."
You were becoming very polite too.
Being polite makes strangers happy.
And happy people are easy to talk to.
That is a big lesson I learned.
What about day 6?
Day 6 was the most exciting day.
What happened? Did you meet a celebrity?
No. Haha. I went to the park again.
Did you see the same old man?
No, I saw a person with a dog.
Dogs are the best for talking.
Yes, I love dogs.
What did you say about the dog?
I said, "Your dog is very cute. What is his name?"
That is a perfect question.
The owner was very happy to talk.
People love talking about their pets.
We talked for 3 minutes.
3 minutes? That is amazing.
We talked about the dog's age and food.
Did you use difficult words?
No, I used very simple words.
Simple words are enough for a good talk.
Yes. I realized that on day 6.
You don't need big words to be a speaker.
No, you just need a kind heart and a smile.
I agree with you completely.
Finally, day 7 arrived.
The last day of the challenge.
On day 7, I felt like a new person.
How did you feel different?
I was not looking at the ground anymore.
You were looking at people's faces.
Yes, I was ready to say hello to anyone.
What did you do on the last day?
I went to a bookstore.
Did you talk to someone there?
Yes, I talked to a person looking at books.
What did you say?
I asked, "Is this a good book?"
And what happened?
We talked about our favorite stories.
That is a real conversation, John.
Yes, it was not a trick anymore.
It was a natural talk between two people.
I felt so free and happy.
The quiet speaker method really works.
It changed my life in 7 days.
I am so happy for you.
And I want our friends to try it too.
Yes, you can start today, everyone.
Don't wait for tomorrow.
Just say one word to one stranger.
It will change your world.
Thank you for sharing this, John.
You're welcome, Sarah.
Let's review the 7 days for our friends.
Okay. Day 1, just say, "Good morning."
Day 2, ask for the time.
Day 3, ask a simple question in a shop.
Day 4, talk about the weather.
Day 5, ask for directions.
Day 6, talk about a pet.
Day 7, talk about a hobby or a book.
It sounds so easy when you say it.
It is easy if you take small steps.
That is why we are Calm Step English.
Yes, one small, calm step at a time.
Our friends are very brave.
I believe in all of them.
Me too. You can do it.
We will be here to help you.
Every week we have new stories.
And new ways to practice.
Let's talk more about the quiet speaker method.
Okay, there is another important part.
What is it?
It is called the pause.
What do you mean by the pause?
When you feel nervous, just stop for a second.
Take a deep breath.
Yes, breathe in and breathe out.
Does it help the brain?
Yes, it helps you remember your words.
Many people forget words when they are nervous.
I used to forget my own name,
Haha, that is funny, John.
but the pause helped me stay calm.
So pause, breathe, and then speak.
Exactly. It is a very simple trick.
But it is very powerful,
Yes, I use it every day now.
even when you are not talking to strangers.
Yes, even when I am teaching.
It makes you sound very calm.
I want to be a calm teacher for my students.
You are a great teacher, John.
Thank you, Sarah. You are a great friend.
Let's talk about the people you met.
Okay. Which one was your favorite?
I liked the person with the dog.
Me too. The dog was very friendly.
What kind of dog was it?
It was a small white dog.
Did it have a name?
Yes, his name was Toby.
Toby. That is a cute name.
Toby wagged his tail at me.
Dogs don't care about your English.
No, they just care about your heart.
That is a good thing to remember.
Strangers are usually nice people too.
Yes, most people want to be kind.
We are all just humans in this world.
We all want to connect with others.
English is a bridge to connect us,
A bridge between different countries.
and a bridge between different hearts.
That is very beautiful, John.
I really feel that way now.
Before the 7 days, did you feel lonely?
Sometimes, because I was afraid to talk.
Fear can make us feel alone.
But speaking makes us feel part of the world.
I want everyone to feel that connection.
Our friends can start in their own town.
Yes, you don't need to travel far.
Just go to the local shop or park.
And look for a friendly face.
There are many friendly faces around us.
We just need to look for them.
And say hello.
It is the most powerful word in English.
I agree. It opens many doors.
What about the bookstore talk?
That was very interesting.
What book was the person looking at?
It was a book about cooking.
Did you talk about food?
Yes, we talked about how to make soup.
Do you like soup, John?
I love hot soup on a cold day.
Me too. It is very comforting.
We shared a small moment of joy.
That is what life is about.
Small moments of joy with other people.
And English made that possible for you.
Yes, I am so grateful for this language.
Learning English is a gift.
A gift that keeps on giving.
I hope our friends feel the same.
I know they will.
Let's give them a small homework.
Good idea. What is the homework?
Today, find one person and smile.
Just a smile? No words?
Let's start with a smile. It is step 0.
Haha, step 0. I like it.
Tomorrow, say hello.
And the day after, ask a question.
Slowly, step by step.
Like a baby learning to walk.
Yes, be patient with yourself.
Don't be angry if you feel shy.
Shyness is okay. It is part of you.
But it doesn't have to stop you.
You can be shy and still speak.
That is the quiet speaker secret.
You don't have to be loud.
No, you can be quiet and confident.
Like a calm river. Yes, a calm river is very strong. I love that image, John.
Thank you. I think it fits our channel.
It really does.
We have many more stories to tell.
Yes, I want to hear about your day 8.
Haha, day 8 was even better.
But we will save that for next time.
Okay, let's keep our friends curious.
Curiosity is good for learning.
It makes us want to know more.
And do more.
I am so proud of our community.
They are the best students in the world.
They are not just students.
No, they are speakers.
Yes, quiet speakers.
We are all in this together.
Hand in hand.
Step by step.
Calmly and clearly.
Thank you for watching, everyone.
We love you all.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Wait, Sarah, I forgot one thing.
What is it, John?
I want to tell them about the mind blank.
Oh yes, that is a big problem.
When your mind goes white and you forget everything.
It happens to me sometimes too.
Really? Even to you?
Yes, when I am very tired or stressed.
So what do?
I use the quiet speaker trick.
Which one? The pause?
Yes. I pause and I say, let me think.
Let me think. That is a good phrase.
It gives you time to find your words.
And the other person will wait.
Yes, most people are patient.
You don't have to speak fast.
No, speaking slow is actually better.
It makes you sound more confident.
And it is easier for others to understand.
So don't worry about the mind blank.
Just say, let me think, and breathe.
The words will come back to you.
They always do.
Thank you for that tip, Sarah.
You're welcome. Now we can say goodbye.
Okay? Goodbye, friends.
Have a wonderful day.